Hi guys, this is an introduction to the Unicorn Stab-along kit. The kit is available and the tools etc. at stabthefluff.com. In your kit you will get enough wool to do the whole thing, so you will also get armature wire, you will get the grass rope and the beads, you will get the colour for his mane and also the colour for his horn, and there are 3 different options for the colour of the horn on the website, and also there is a larger version of this one available. All videos for this will be posted on my YouTube channel, M Fountain Felts, and they will always be freely available. Support also is available through my group, M's Fluff Stabbers, which is on Facebook, and that's free to join, and we are a large group of very supportive individuals, and everything that goes on there is about things that you've made using my tutorials, any questions you'd like to ask, etc. So we look forward to seeing you there. The inspiration, if you're interested, behind this came from a lady called Janet Rawlins and a man called Edward Mayne. Edward Mayne wrote a book in 1957 called A Grass Rope, and it tells of a legend of a young girl who goes off to find the unicorn that is supposedly trapped under a cliff near her home in Wensleydale. And I think in turn that inspired a lady called Janet Rawlins to write a book called The Grass Rope, which has lots and lots of different kinds of artwork in it, which has been inspired by Wensleydale. She also happened to go to college with my auntie, so that's another lovely little piece of interest for me. And thirdly, the reason I wanted him to have a grass rope was because I don't want it to look like a trophy head, and I think the grass rope stops this from happening. It's also very pretty. So you can make the kit your own, you can add the beads, not add the beads, you can plait the mane. We'll be doing all sorts of little bits and pieces while you've been doing the kit, so each one will really truly be unique and truly be yours, and nobody else will have one like it. I hope you'll join us, and I look forward to seeing you in group. Bye!